What is a mystery car?
Yeah, mystery car.
Mystery car. Oh, you're a mysterious man.
Went down the Santa Fe where red wine paints the walls. Described it clearly, but
This is our mystery car.
So we've got a mystery car from Jason. Jaden, what do you reckon about this one?
I like it. Looks nice.
Do you like it?
I like it.
All right.
This Magna, we need a new hood. This one's far too gone. So we'll just go around the car. Need some paint for the trunk. Move that. But it looks pretty good. Some tire shine. Looks pretty good. So this one is an all-wheel drive. So it'll be the beast. Got some nice rims. Might need a little bit of a clean, but they look nice.
What do you reckon about this car, Jado?
It looks pretty clean.
For our mystery car?
Yeah, very clean for the mystery car.
How many Ks you got on him?
It's got 200,507.
Oh yeah, 257,000 Ks. The interior's not too bad, actually.
So Jason gave us a bargain last time. But as he's giving us this mystery car, we're going to give him exactly $1,200.
$1,200? Okay. Jason, you happy with that?
Yeah, done deal. Thanks.
Done. Excellent. Thank you, Jason. Love your work. Thank you, mate. Jaden,
Yeah.
what are you got? You're a proud owner of a 2003 Mitsubishi Magna.
It's not just a
What is
Magna.
it? What is
It's
it?
an all-wheel drive V6.
Ooh, damn.
Extra good.
Damn. Well, to give you some context, Jason called me and he said he's seen our last video and he said he's got a mystery car for us. I said, you tell us a price and you just bring the mystery car and see if we can flip it. But this is a bit of a challenge, this one, because we've just spent $1,200 on this Magna.
Need to make it look good.
We've got to make it look good, so it's going to definitely need a bonnet, for sure. We have to change the bonnet. We can't paint and fix that. Also, to note, Jaden, we didn't have to get in the truck and pick this car up. This car is registered till April, apparently.
Damn.
So actually, we're kind of... It's kind of one of those things where you pay a little bit more, but the car is registered and we can drive it places. So instead of sitting in the truck all the time, we can actually drive this car around, get the bits and pieces for it.
Yeah.
Jaden, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why is it that every car we get has a bad hood liner?
I don't know. It's just.
It's like a pet peeve of mine.
to stop these tears that's falling from my eye. Go walk out in the rain so no one sees me try.
Okay, we're down here at the car wash with the Magna, and so basically what we're going to do is we're going to try and clean off this little clear lens. If we do like power wash it, it might come out a little bit more better, so we can like looks better. So we'll see.
All my life I've been moving them chains. Now you wanna love me, I see the way you think. You're all about you. And that's cool, you do you. But me, I've been doing my own thing, I swear to God. I be killing everybody, tell me if you wanna get involved.
So we've tried to high pressure the clear off the car, and it's not working. It's too far gone. It's gone. So we need a new bonnet. So let's go get a new bonnet.
I'm going to ring 3 different people to see what their opinion of getting the clear sorted on this Magna. Jake Spokes from Jake's Shop.
Jakey.
My boy's painting.
You have reached mailbox number.
Brett is a good friend of ours.
Brett.
Got paint fade on the roof, bonnet and the boot. But what's your method or a quick, cheap way to get rid of the clear?
Sand it, man, sand it.
Sand it? What, wet sand it or?
Razor blade.
Razor blade and...
Just sand it.
Okay. And wet sand or just dry sand?
Yeah, both.
Okay, both. Okay, that's helpful.
Why is who's gonna do it?
Me? We're doing a channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, not me, but Jaden is.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
600 dry.
All right, we'll do that.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Cool. All right,
See you, mate.
see ya.
Bye. Mark from the Iron Empire. He might know. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know anything. What do I know?
Oi, we got Mark from the Iron Empire down here. No, we haven't got him down here. We've got him virtually over the radio waves. Hey, quick question. What are your tips on fixing paint fade on a car?
So is it paint fade or paint clear?
The clear's gone, yeah. We tried a high pressure at the car wash to get the clear off.
Nothing other than repainting it. A miracle answer for you, unfortunately.
So now we own a Magna for $1,200, and it looks like it should be at the scrapyard.
Right, send me some photos and then I'll see what I can come up with.
So we couldn't fix the bonnet. We're just gonna replace it. So we got a new bonnet. Let's go fit it. Before we take out this bonnet, we're gonna trace these little bolts so we know where to put the new one on. So let's go. So on the old bonnet, these struts are different to the new one. So we're just gonna take these struts off and put them on the new one.
Yeah. Show me this plan that you brought me in this cash. You ain't mentioned yet, dog. I'm done with all that talking.
So we just got the old bonnet off, as you can see down there. Well, we've got it off and now we're gonna go put the new one on. Let's go.
Times trying to undermine my abilities to be killing anything I target. Yeah, you wanna be a boss with them reins? That power don't come cheap. All my life I've been moving them chains. Now you wanna love me, I see the way you think.
So I got the new bonnet on. Let's see. Oh, let's fingers crossed it shuts. Let's go. Perfect.
Work first time. Woo-hoo-hoo. The colour's right. Is the colour right?
Yeah, it's just a little bit dirty.
It's just dirty. Look at that, like a new car. Jado, gotta tell us a new car.
New car.
Living the dream, baby.
Living the dream. So the bonnet looks really good. We just put it on and it looks 100 times better. And the car definitely needs a wash. Look at this. Look at this thing. Got some dirt here. It's just dirty.
Take what we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.
How are you?
Yeah, good. So you're looking for a car for yourself or?
Mostly just my partner.
Oh, your partner? Oh, yeah.
My partner's out right now, so she can't tell me not to buy a car.
Oh, very cool. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, good.
I've got 3.
Have you? Oh, shit. You got a bad problem. I like it. Good problem to have, eh?
No, I don't have the space.
But honestly, this car drives immaculate. What did you come up here? A little Metro?
Yeah.
I can almost guarantee, I don't know how good your car is, but I can guarantee this thing will drive a million times better than that. It's so smooth.
FTO, GTO.
Oh no, maybe not. Oh, I love it. Take it for a lap around the block if you want. Put the air on, put the music on.
It's already on.
Oh, is it? Oh, beautiful. Put some radio on. Take me home, country road. If you don't know the area, the best way is just to keep going left until you get back here. The longer the left you go, the better the ride you get.
Yeah, the whole square.
Pull the bonnet, maybe have a look at the engine. It's really clean, the engine. All the rocker cover gaskets all been done. It's had a new water pump put on it. Really clean, like really clean.
What's your YouTube channel for?
Hey?
What's the YouTube channel?
We're called One More Flip. We buy and sell cars.
That's great.
Yeah.
Magna's
So we only buy good cars and sell good cars.
Magna's a thing, a solid thing to do with that.
No. We just buy them and sell them and make a bit of profit. If you buy this.
Fourth.
Yeah, our fourth car. Because we changed the bonnet on this. It had paint fade really bad, so we changed the bonnet, put a new bonnet on it.
That's fair.
So it's
So you just fix a bit as well?
Huh?
So you just fix them a bit?
A little bit, yeah. We try not to buy cars that are too far gone because we're not mechanics. We're not experts. You know what I mean? Just doing the basic stuff. So.
Say flipping cars and stuff, I can offer you another car that I'm trying to sell.
What do you got?
04 Tiburon V6.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, let me know. We'll work something out.
Because I got that because I wanted the rims on it. And then,
Oh, did you? Yeah.
I don't want this car, I just want the rims for...
Yeah, fair cool. Well, let me know, have a think. Whatever you want. If you want to buy it, have a think. I'm easy either way. Honestly, I put it on a different account because people are starting to work out my account and then seeing what cars we're doing. And they're trying to get the drop on the channel before we go live. So I put it on a different account. He got it off. He's a really nice guy. He looks after his car. He's like, mechanically. Huh?
How much did you get it for?
It owes us about 1,400. It owes us, yeah. So, but we're below the market average. You look at what they're worth. An all-wheel drive. Where do you find them? You don't find an all-wheel drive.
Yeah,
so
I've been looking at all-wheel drives or all-wheel drive Magnas for a little bit.
Yeah. And I don't know, maybe in another 5 or 10 years, they might become like people go, you don't see many on the road these days, you know?
Yeah.
This model Magna all-wheel drive is...
Yeah, the $3,000 one is all-wheel drive sports.
Is it? Yeah. They've got extra seats, that's all they got, different seats. And an exhaust, that's it.
They've got,
that's it really.
Seats, headers, exhaust,
yeah.
So it's not too big of a difference.
No, it's not.
Especially if you want to put better headers on it. Then.
Yeah, true. And you're flying under the radar with this, you know. They're a cool car too.
Well, definitely think about it.
Yeah, have a think. You're looking for a car for yourself, yeah? Oh, okay. Mitsubishi, good cars.
Can I do test drive?
Go for it. Yeah. No, I trust you. It's okay. Put the air conditioning on. Yeah, just go left and left and left.
Yeah.
Put the air conditioning on. Yeah. So we've just had someone else take it for a test drive. The first person come and had a look, took it for a drive. So it's a very good car. They're going to have a think about it and let us know. And now we've just had this other couple roll up. They're going to have a quick test drive and then see how we go. Good that we're getting a bit of interest in the old Magna. It is an all-wheel drive, so it's a little bit different than most Magnas, which is the goal here. Obviously, been a big challenge, this car, trying to get the bonnet on, and obviously it's a little bit more expensive than most cars than we've sold, but let's see how we go. How'd you go?
Yeah, it's good.
Drives well, doesn't it?
Yeah. Can I check the...
Yeah. The key, you can either use the key or there's a button in the glove box to open the boot as well.
Oh,
so,
right.
But you can use the key if you want as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So is it possible for me to add like some remote to it, or?
You can. They normally sometimes have a remote, but I don't know whether the remote didn't come with one. Yeah.
Right.
But you can get a remote to unlock it and lock it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And what about the fuel? Is it efficient?
Sorry?
The fuel?
The fuel? Just normal petrol.
Normal petrol.
Yeah.
Let me talk with her first.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. It's got rego till April as well.
April? Okay.
2nd of April. Yeah. Not the 1st, because that'd be an April Fool's joke then, wouldn't it?
Know nothing about cars, so yeah, we have to trust you. If
Yeah, trust me. Well, I do a YouTube channel, okay? And what we do, me and my son, we buy cars and then we sell it and make a little bit of profit.
Yeah.
Not a huge amount, just a little bit. But because we're honest on YouTube, we have to be honest. Because if you drive this car and I tell you lies, you go on my YouTube channel and say this man's a bad man. So I've got to do the right thing. Do you know what I mean?
Okay. Take it.
You'll take it?
we trust
Sold.
you, we'll take it.
Sold. Sold.
So like and comment, subscribe.
Thank you. Welcome back to the bushes. Me and my wife are actually been rewatching the old Lost series, the old Netflix binge. So thought we'd get in the bushes, me and Jado. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
You like the bush?
I like it.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching this episode. If you did get this far, there's a couple of points I want to make. Thank you to Jason for providing us the mystery car. It turned out to be a really good car, as you can see in the video, and we made good profit on it. So we made $900, paid $1,200, got a bonnet for $100, and we sold it for $2,200. Unfortunately, the person we got the bonnet off didn't want to be on camera or anything to do with YouTube, which is fair, so we just skip that whole part. The other thing I wanted to talk about was last episode in the XL, we weren't very clear about the pricing. We actually bought the car for $700, as you may have seen, and we sold it to Mr. Dusty for $1,000. Jaden donated $500 to charity, so that put us back, that's $500, so we lost $200. Our last profit from memory was $2,200, so we're down to $2,000. So the profit with this, we should be about $2,900. I have to do the sums, it's off the cuff. But the other thing I wanted to note in this episode is I took you on a bit of a journey with selling cars. Now, I'm no expert. I've sold some cars in my day. I'm no expert, but just the way the psychology of the person buying the car works. Sometimes, you know, that little icebreaker at the start, build some rapport with them. Trust, obviously, is a big thing. Obviously, it's a little bit different with us because we've got to say, look, we're recording on YouTube, and the recording or the camera work is a little bit average in those situations because it's so weird trying to record someone and actually have a real conversation. These are all done in one take, except for obviously Jaden and I mucking around and stuff. So I just wanted to say that. It might be a little bit boring for some, but we did have 2 people come and look at the Magna. First person obviously wanted to think about it. The other person come and just bought it. Didn't even haggle on price. It turned out to be an actually really, really good car. So the other final thing I want to talk about is, as you may know, Jaden obviously goes to school, and Jaden's back at school now. So our schedule may slow down a fair bit because I want Jaden to obviously not to concentrate on, obviously I want him to concentrate on school. And he's got a social life outside of school as well, so I can't expect him to come home from school every day and film and do stuff and all that sort of stuff. So the content may slow down depending on the car we get, but in the comments I'd love for people to write what they thought or what they've done in the past with paint fade or peel. Leave a comment, tell us what's worked for you. It might help us in the future, and we'll go from there. Also, if you want to give us some feedback, I'm in this bit of a mindset now where we've had a bit of success. We're up to about $2,900. We nearly got about $3,000 in the pocket from $500, and we've donated $500, so we're kind of like even, but we've made some money, obviously. But I don't want to do the same thing over and over and over. We go buy a car, we wash it, we sell it, we make a profit. If there's something else you guys want to see, let us know in the process. We might go down that path of cleaning and all that sort of stuff, but our videos are all done. Our goal has always been to buy the car, fix the car, do what needs to be done to the car, sell it in one episode. There's no 2 episodes with us, we just do it. But yeah, I'd love some feedback on 1, the clear and how you guys have fixed it, and 2, the format of the videos. If you're happy with it, we'll just keep rolling as it is. If you like the cinematic stuff, we'll keep that in there. Some people like it, some people don't. Whatever, we'll work it out. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next episode. We may have another car coming. I can't say. I think it's a 2-door, actually. And maybe a VTEC or something. I don't know. Ooh, see you, bye. Hey, that's a nice shirt you got on, brother. Who's that?
It's Jay's merch. Little standards.
Hello. Hello, my eyeballs weird.
So we tried our hype.
I hit the gutter.
Went down beside my bay where red wine paints the walls. Described it clearly.